Welcome to the Flow Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 4:06 p.m. and that is Central Time. And today is November 6th, and we had quite an eventful day in the market. The Nasdaq 100 was down over 400 points. The Dow Jones down 300, and then Bitcoin came back to test the 100,000, having bounced from that level yesterday. Then gold was up and down, but closing pretty much unchanged around the 3,977 level. And silver is also still holding in the region of the 50-day moving average. Perhaps the biggest rally today was in bond markets, where the 10-year yield compressed by 7 basis points. And that was all on the back of a negative job number. Now, of course, the US government is still shut, so the statistics gathering offices aren't really working. So we're relying on a lot of private data. And the challenge, of course, is that some of these measures don't really look at exactly the same things that the Fed or the Labor Department are looking at, and we don't exactly know how accurate they are, what they include, what they don't include, and how comparable it all is. But when the jobless numbers in October are 3 times higher than the last reading and the highest since any October since 2003, well, that certainly raises eyebrows. So we had a pretty significant downward day on stock markets. Now, other things that are going on. Well, Tesla has completed its vote, and they are willing to pay Elon Musk $1 trillion in return for him hitting the metrics that have been set before him. Now, in many respects, this is a Herculean task. And considering that there are 12 different metrics, it really does feel like it is the trials of Hercules. In order for him to actually get paid that amount of money, he would have to transform Tesla into a company that is a part of everyone's life. And what that basically means is solving autonomy. Now, solving autonomy is not easy. They've been talking about doing it for a decade. We've had robotics that have been in development for 50 years, and a lot of computing power, brain power, and capital has gone into solving it. Tesla and Google are probably at the forefront of the industry. There's probably a lot of startups in China chasing the same dream. And